Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Excuse the attire, I am just back from work. I've bobbed on a nightie and I thought I would share with you this month's Birchbox. So it arrived whilst I was out at work, but so opening it now. Just thought I'd get it open before I settle down for the evening. And I know one thing that's in here, but the rest of it is a surprise. But I only half know, and I'll explain to you more in a minute. So those that don't know, Birchbox is a monthly subscription beauty box, and it is £13 a month. And yeah, it's you know, you get sort of sample sizes and things. It is out of a lot of the beauty boxes, this one does have smaller sizes. But there's something I quite like about Birchbox. I don't know what it is. I think it's my first subscription box I ever got. I did cancel it for a few months and then I went back to it, and yeah, it's got a special place in my heart. Anyway, so June 2018 is Birchbox's 5th birthday, and so normally you get beautiful drawer boxes to keep your things in, but this month we've got a tin. So this is really, really lovely. So it's a very, very pretty tin, blue and white detail, with the Birchbox logo on it. So let's get in. I've not seen any spoilers because obviously I've been at work. I have spotted a couple of people have got uploads as well, so I will go and catch up and see what they got, because you can get different items to other people, so it's always worthwhile checking everyone else's to see what they've got. So first thing, I'll get a little, it comes to a card telling you about the details. Let's get this out. So first of all, it says, celebrate our 5th birthday with a special offer to say thank you for being such a fabulous Birchboxer. And then there's some codes here. So it is giving you 15% off in the Birchbox shop and 25% off for VIPs. Here's the code if you want it. Don't know if I meant to share it or not, but there you go. And then it says Birchbox UK is 5 June 2018. So hello Birchboxers. May is our 5th birthday here in the UK. So to celebrate, we're channeling the most British of occasions, the tea party. From your special keepsake biscuit tin to the launch of the Birchbox Beauty Awards, June is all about thanking you, our wonderful Birchboxers. Now let's get this party started. Okay, so first thing I've got is, now this is in some foam, and this might be what I already know it is. So everyone this month will get, it is a compact eyeshadow by Ella Eden, in 2 shades. It's either in Faith or Julia, and we got to choose whether we wanted this shade or Julia, which is a much paler sort of champagne-y nudie shade. And then normally I always choose which shade I want, but this time I just said surprise me. So I'm really, really pleased actually to get this one, because I was secretly hoping I'd get this, because I've got lots of nice shimmery nudes that I already like. So it says mineral eyeshadows don't have to be time consuming. This pressed version combines intense colour payoff with long lasting wear. Apply with a wet brush if you want to make a bolder statement. Okay, so let's have a look in here. Can I get in? Oh, it's really well sealed. I can't get in. Oh. Ah, there we go. So it's now just over 3 weeks till I move. I've started packing all my makeup away, so anything new is well welcomed. So it's a very dark looking brown. Ooh, it feels like velvet. That's it there. And that is beautiful. So it's like a mid chocolate. It's a really warm chocolatey brown. I really like that. I'm glad I've got this shade. I am so happy with that, and it feels beautiful, and I think that's going to be really long wearing. Oh, that is a beautiful colour. I love it. Love it. So next thing, yay, is the Professional Real Primer Pearl Primer from Benefit. That is brilliant. So the full size RRP for this would be £27.50. So it's Professional Pearl Primer. So this fresh formula features the same oil-free texture as the original Professional, with an added dose of pink pigment for brightness. Just smooth it all over your face and layer up to add radiance. I'm really excited about this. I'm all about sort of glowy finishes. I'm not bothered about being all matte. How cute is this? Look. Oh my goodness. I love that. I need to put a bit on. I'm scared that I'll squeeze too much out. I'm going to do a little dab. Oh, it's so cute. Right, so that's a tiny little dot. And let's put that here. Oh, it feels so nice. I don't know if you can see, it's got a little, does have a little sheen. It's on this finger. I shall see. I'm going to do a little, I'll do a little try of that underneath my foundation, and we shall feed back. But yes, I'm really happy with that. Let me put it back in its little home. Tuck it up for the night. Night-night. So there's that one. Where have I put my stuff? Okay, so next item. Oh, what's this? Ah, I think I know what it is. Tea bags. So it's so Wittard. So 3 individually wrapped tea bags. It's time for tea. Celebrate Birchbox's 5th birthday with 3 different tea blends from Wittard of Chelsea. There's an extra surprise inside too. I like a surprise. So there's Earl Grey, number 32, mango and bergamot, and lemon and ginger. And it's best before 2020. I need to see what the extra surprise is. I'm like a child. I love this packaging. I won't be using the tea bags. It's just such a nice thing to keep. Let's have a look. Aha! So we've got our little tea bags here. 1, 2, 3. And then there is 20% off when you spend £25 in store or online. Promo code is BB20. There we go, if you want to use that. That's really cute. And a tea party wouldn't be a tea party without a cup of tea. So it says, discover 3 delicious blends, Earl Grey, mango and bergamot, and lemon and ginger for your ultimate brew from this quintessentially British brand. After all, a tea party isn't complete without a good cuppa. Didn't I just say that? So next thing is, what's this? Dotom smoothing balm. Okay, high performance. Oh, hair care. Okay. So there we go there. And this says, so it's number 4, Dotom smoothing balm. Whatever your hair type, this hard-working formula minimises frizz, restores softness and protects against humidity and heat damage. Work a small amount through damp hair, then style as normal. Wonder what it smells like. Let's pop a little bit on. Oh, so that's the formula there. Ooh, it is really thick. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So that's fabulous. Does it give you a price? So the full size would be £24.50. Next thing. Oh, it's Polar. I've got a few things by these. Fluid Solaire Fondant 30. Oh, is it a sun cream? Oh, fantastic. So this is So Polar Velvety Sun Fluid Face and Body. The best kind of sunscreen is one that doesn't leave white residue behind. Fortunately, this one sinks in quickly to protect your skin from UV rays. Just be sure to top it up throughout the day. I am absolutely delighted to try this because I've been using some retinol and some alpha H, so the AHAs. So you do need to use sunscreen, and the one I have got does leave a thick white cast. So I will be really interested to try this. So yeah, and hopefully it'll sit really nice underneath my makeup. So that is really welcomed. And then last thing is this, is a pencil by Lord and Berry, and it's a strobing highlighter pencil. RRP is £14. Strobing is just another way of highlighting. Apply this vitamin infused pencil to cheekbones, cupid's bow, nose and the corners of your eyes. Blend in with your fingertips for a high voltage glow in moments. So let's have a little look here. I'll pop that. Oh, it's a bit crumbly. Oh, it's nice though. I have got quite a few things by Lord and Berry, and I do like their pencils. So that's it there in the back of my hand. So yeah, that's nice. So that'd be good as well, I think. Whoa, underneath your brow bone and things. So all together we've got the pencil, the sunscreen, the hair balm, the eyeshadow, the primer, and the tea, and the tin. So yeah, I'm really pleased this month. I will use everything. 1, 2, 3. So I think the tea is a bit like a freebie really, because there's 5 things there and then the tea is 6. So yeah, happy birthday Birchbox. So I hope you've liked this unboxing, and I hope you've liked the products, and maybe if you've not already got this subscription, you'd consider going to get it, because I do think it's a really nice box this month. Well, tin. So there we go. I hope you've enjoyed it. Do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to read them, and I do reply to every single person. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And talking of which, I hit 800 subscribers tonight, so thanks so much. We're on the next 200 now, work our way towards the 1000. Don't forget, I've got a little palette giveaway. I've got a Revolution palette which I'm giving away, so check that video out. And take care. Nearly the weekend, so see you all again very soon. Bye.